Hey guys, my name is Nolan Wheeler. I'm with TAGIT EAS. We just are finishing our two-day conventions down in San Diego at the NRF LP convention. We brought down two of our premium TAGIT EAS electromagnetic anti-theft devices down at the show, EAS. We have one set up at 40 inches, the other one set up at 58 inches. Interestingly, at the show, we had some folks passing out 10-layer booster bags. These booster bags are produced with 10 layers of aluminum foil, and we happen to put your standard high theft items, Gillette, our EM logo right there, white strips, and really problematic SKUs made of metal.
You want to grab these and I'll grab
Even metal infant formula. The label right there. Before I show you this booster bag, I'll show you the metal can. Even on a metal can, we're able to have detection. Something that the industry really struggled with is protecting metal items, small items. This is something that we can do. That label can also go around the can. It does not have to be flat. Even inside a 10-layer booster bag provided by these guys here. Sealed right up. A 10-layer foil bag cannot defeat the technology. And grocery guys out there, we brought down some artificial meat to tag up and demonstrate to folks about how we can cost effectively tag and protect meat and cheese, your number 1, 2 shrink items in grocery retail, problem SKUs that we're dealing with. We'll take this over to the scale here. If we want to go in here and want to print a label, this here we got a porterhouse, print the label, print off a label. As you can see, the wire is embedded in the label. You do not change your scales. The only thing you need to change is the labels itself. Now, rather than put it on the meat, I'm going to do a demonstration here with some aluminum foil. I'm going to take this label. We're going to wrap it with aluminum foil. Take our tag. We've been able to protect the item within the aluminum foil. To show you that the alarm is not being caused by the aluminum foil. It's not detecting foil, this is detecting EAS tags. Anyways, thanks very much folks, and hope to see you at the next NRF show.
Well, next year I did.